never in a million years would I believe that I would have Dennis James picking me up from the airport. Dennis James is someone I looked up to for a very long time. You know, grew up fan of bodybuilding, always wanted to be a bodybuilder my whole life. Same thing goes as Big Ramy, one of my favorite bodybuilders ever. Two super cool, humble, down-to-earth men. You know, we're just hanging out this weekend. I signed with GAT Supplements, and they gave me the opportunity. They said, hey, I know you're a few weeks out of the Mr. Olympia, but would you like to train with Dennis and Ramy? And it was a no-brainer. You know, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I respect these men very much. And 2.5 weeks out of the Mr. Olympia, this is exactly the push that I need. You know, as Dennis has said before, you really have to be pushed by somebody, but it can't be anybody. It has to be people that you respect. And I'm just fortunate enough that I have these two guys pushing me today.
Nice and slow, right here. Here you go. Use your chest, use your chest. There you go. Awesome. One more, just like that.
Dennis has some pretty interesting training methods, which, you know, actually, I feel like my chest already has added an inch to it.
Slow down right here. Squeeze, squeeze. Let's go for 10 reps. Come on. 1, 2, 3, come on. 4, there you go. 5, 6, come on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Sit. Way too close. We started a good chest workout today with doing incline Smith machine presses. From there we went to flies. Right here. Good chest. Come on. Go pit. Here you go. Come on. Squeeze that shit together. Come on. Get him up. Come on, get him up. Come on. There you go. Instead of doing regular dumbbell flies, we used the cable slightly inclined because I'm a fan of the upper chest. I believe that the most important thing is the upper chest because I want the chest to come out on top. It will automatically drop sooner or later, but if you have that upper chest, you never have that dropping chest look. There's this look that looks the chest that look like it's just hanging and sagging, and I don't like that look. That's why I like to do everything inclined. And I haven't flat benched even when I was still competing for at least 10 years before I retired because I believe stuff like flat bench is good to create a basic chest, but once you have a basic chest, I think the flat bench is just where you get your injuries from. Most of the people with shoulder injuries, they get it from flat bench because, you know, on the way up you use your triceps, on the way down you hurt your shoulders. So therefore, I'm a fan of incline, even with flies and with a lot of other stuff. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, come on. 6, there you go. 7, come on, Sadik. 8, come on. 9, 1, good. You're going to work here, come on. 2, 3, come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, good. One more drop, one more drop. Keep it. Go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. There you go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Real slow. Push with your chest out. We went to the regular seated chest press. We incorporated some of the MTUT style. For the people that don't know what that is, it's something that I basically came up with by myself, and I named it after myself, Menace Time Under Tension. And people always ask me, do you do that all the time? I said, no, I incorporate it. I have phases where I do it, and I have phases where I don't do it, and then other times I'll mix it with the regular workout. It's always good to throw a few sets in because it will create a pump that will last you way longer than other pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. Chest up. Get it. Come on. Get it. Come on. Get it. Get it. Get it. He's pushing me. He's pushing you to me too.
I see that. He's slapping at you.
Yeah, he's laughing. That shit funny to you, right? 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it together. Squeeze right here. Good. And again. And again. Come on. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Give me one more. Come on. Squeeze. Good. You know, Sadik was awesome. He hung in there like everybody else, you know. So there's not a big difference between a physique guy and a bodybuilder. You know, everybody know that physique is not that old. It's just a new category that started a couple of years ago, and a lot of people were, I don't want to say against it, but they weren't really a fan of physique. I probably was one of the people that said that I'm not a big fan of people that don't want to train legs, you know, but I've, you know, in the last couple of years, I've changed my mind, and I'm actually a fan of physique now. I'm looking at these guys and I see, it reminds me of the bodybuilding from 20, 30 years ago. So when these guys were all still really shredded and all more symmetrical, so, you know, who knows, you know, physique is about to blow up a little more, I would say.